Hey y'all, my name is Raya and I am here today to give you a tutorial on howstuffworks.com. Okay, so we are just going to search How Stuff Works. And we are going to click on it. And just to let y'all know, this is also an app. So if you're more of a phone person, you can download the app. And so basically How Stuff Works is a website that gives you a lot of information about a lot of things. So this would be a perfect website to use if you are writing a paper on something, doing a project, or if you just, are just interested and you want to learn more about what you're learning. Okay, and so what's cool about this website is that it has all these categories set up, so you don't have to really go looking for it. And so we're just gonna click on science as an example. And in science, it has subcategories. So if you want to be more specific, you can click one of those. We'll just scroll down a little bit and you can see it shows you the things that are trending, and it shows you the different things. And so we are just going to click on a subcategory. So we're going to scroll back up and let's click on life science. So we clicked on life science, and it goes more specific. So you have your biology fields, your cellular and microscopic biology, and stuff like that. And so it's super cool. And so we can look at one. So let's look at twin monkeys. This article. And so this article is about twin monkeys that are first ever cloned. And so you can read the article, scroll down, you read the whole article. It also gives you recommendations on the side, which I think it's cool, which is super cool. And so we are going to scroll back up, and let's click a different category. So we'll go back to the home page, and let's say I want to learn more about home and garden. Let's say I'm a gardener. And so this one, let's see, lawn and garden. I think the setup is super easy to get through. There's nothing too hard about it, which I think is nice. And so let's say I want to learn more about gardening. So you'll scroll down, and it goes more in depth, which I think is super cool. And so you scroll down, and pick what you want. And so let's say that you are doing a project and you have to do it in something specific, okay? And you don't really have time to go through these categories, go through the subtopics and the subtopics. So you can just come here to the search. And so let's say your project was about the solar system. And so you click. And then it gives you many articles that you can read about the solar system. And so let's say I wanted to look at this one, our amazing solar system. And this article is super cool because it talks about different things that are in our solar system. So we have the asteroids, we have the comets, we have the stars, the shooting stars, meteors and meteorites, moons, and etc., which I think is awesome. And then it has this little thing, it says Stuff to Blow Your Mind, where it's like a podcast. So you can, like, for example, this one is How Fighting Asteroids Work. So you can listen to podcasts, if you want to learn more about asteroids. It also comes with a video that you can watch, and it talks about our solar system, from like the big things like our planets and the sun to the little things like the meteorites and the asteroids, which is super cool. And if this article doesn't work for you, you can always go back and you can search it again. Okay, so let's say that article didn't work out. So I am going to choose a different article. So let's choose the solar system explained. And so this is really good that the articles are here, because like if an article doesn't have all the information that you need, you can always use another one. And so this one is about the solar system, but it's different. So you can see that this one's about the sun, the planets, and it talks a little bit about the other stuff in our solar system, and even a 10th planet. And this one, instead of the podcast, it has a little mini article in it if you want to go in more in depth, but also that same video, which I think is cool. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you some other stuff that this website has. So if you click on more, and you look, it has entertainment, adventure, animal, podcast, videos, and quizzes. So we're just going to click on the quizzes. And you can quiz yourself on some of the information you learn. So like this one, there's what's the difference between flu and cold. And we're going to go ahead and pick how well do you know art history. And let's say you have a test coming up about art, and you want to find a fun way to, quiz yourself. This would be a good idea. And so we'll go on ahead and press start quiz. And then, you'd answer the question. So like, which Renaissance painter also designed a flying machine? I'm pretty sure Leonardo da Vinci. No. Or Michelangelo. Honestly, I don't know, but we'll just click question. Oh, and look, I was right. And it gives you some more facts about that person, which I think is cool. And so that is pretty much how stuff works. And I hope that this video was super helpful for you. And I hope that you use How Stuff Works for a project or a presentation, because it's a really good resource. Thank you.